Anyway, here we are at Bert's garage, Friday night. Pretty excited tonight. We're going to mount the blower. Got a little bit of decision making whether we're going to have the blower facing forward or back. We've decided to stick with the way it's going just to get it in. Anyway, here's Wazza down here. He's sanding away on the top tubes, getting ready for the weld. It's not his best angle. Anyway, I'm sure he gives a smile in a second. Jo, she's holding the light, she's doing her job. I probably shouldn't get you in, Jacko, so you're supposed to be at work. Oh, Bert, he came out, I think he saw the camera and took off. Anyway, hopefully the next video we'll have a supercharger on the bike. You see it over there, sitting on the ground. Hang on, let's see if we can get her in.
I've been zinged. Jeez, I've been zinged.
You're not helping me there.